Hey everybody, welcome to Facebook Live. It is Tuesday here at Len Busch Roses, and look, we're back on our favorite little hay wagon, taking us for a ride today. But, thank you so much for joining us on this Facebook Live. I'm Georgia Edgington with Len Busch Roses.
And I'm Kristin Thomas. I'm marketing coordinator here at Len Busch, and I just have a number for you, 850,000. Okay, what does that mean to you? Well, I don't know, but to us, it means how many plants that we grow here at Len Busch in a year.
Yeah.
Like, that's just a crazy number, 850,000.
It does mean something to you. That's how many plants we are growing for you to get out to your customers, into your stores. So we just told you what it means to you. There you go. So you're going to be liking and buying what we've got to show you here today. And that brings us to something too, that when you're watching Facebook Live, we'd love continue to interact with us. We're really enjoying that. And we want you to share Facebook Live, please, with your customers, on your personal pages, your store pages, anything, because we want to continue to grow Facebook Live, but we also want to be able to interact with you and know what it is that you are liking. So remember to use your emojis. When I call out to you, like it if you like, like emoji,
we
heart
really
emoji.
Check
we really do.
Where you threw your hearts out. So we do look at that.
Yes, that actually tells us what it is that you're liking and what we can continue to go down, which avenues for you to continue to bring that to you and tell you what you've got. So it's really, really important. So that's your little call out for today.
And for Georgia and I, after we do this, we get excited to see who was watching and what you said, and we love it. That makes us. It's like a little gift.
It really is. This is truly. It doesn't end for us right here. We continue to watch through the week and to the next one, and who's watching, who's liking, and it makes us excited then to bring you the next week. So a little homework for you to make sure you're sharing and liking.
That's all they wanted was homework.
Yeah, homework. Yeah, more things to do. But this is fun homework, though.
I agree.
Yeah.
I agree. Do you want to?
Who's watching?
Susan.
Hi, Susan. Hey, welcome. She's one of our normal watchers.
I
love it. Yes,
them.
thank you so much, Susan. You are loved and liked. We are hearting you right now. Yeah, let's talk about this. So first of all, fall is really typical. Fall is what colors for you, Kristin?
Well, see, that's the whole thing, and that's kind of what we did this. I mean, traditionally, right? Your oranges, browns, and reds.
Oranges, browns, reds, yellows. Who's watching?
Ray.
Ray. Oh gosh, thanks,
Hi.
Ray. Love to have Ray watch.
But I'm like country farmhouse look. I just am, and so for me, I love a white look with just a little nod to fall. Like this is up my alley.
Okay,
Good job, Georgia.
So then we did this for Kristin today, but I know she's not alone. A lot of you people out there, a lot of our watchers, and I included, I love just every color. I do love every color. There's a place for color. Yeah, really, seriously. But I do love this look, and it's got a great place. And in a farmhouse look, in a chic look, this is absolutely gorgeous. Kind of that tone on tone, and you're just really using that clean color of white, the nice crispness of white. We're adding a little bit of line here, a little bit of texture in the curly willow right in the middle. And then what we simply did was just add some beautiful gourds. Look at this gourd. What is this called, Kristin, again? This is wood grain gourds, right?
Yes.
And we have these, and we're selling these. Right now, guys, look at these. Okay, so imagine popping these into like something with a purple planter. Look at, Kristin's holding up the bag.
Look
at
this. Yeah, so artificial, obviously, but they've got that natural wood grain in them.
Yes.
It's kind of a fun...
And all I did was stick a little hyacinth stick up the little bottom of it and then pop it right in. So look how easy you can put this right in. And then, oh my goodness, these leaves. The rust-colored leaves are fabulous. It is gorgeous this time of year. And these leaves you can mix with your oranges, your yellows, your purples, your fall greens, and mix them with your beautiful whites and the kind of tone on tone.
Those of you who didn't know or don't know about these are glycerin treated.
Yeah,
leaves.
they are. Oh,
so
yes.
They're still soft.
Yes,
and,
they're pliable. They're real leaves.
Yeah.
That's the thing. That they're not an artificial leaf. They're actually real.
The glycerin treated.
Yes, and look at this. So you get movement in it. So sitting on somebody's front porch, moving in the wind, beautiful. Little rustle. Hear the sound. It's so neat. And then in arrangements, in your fresh arrangements as well. So these leaves are just beautiful. We've got a lot of this rust color right now for you to get into your stores.
Too, as we've shown like in the past few weeks.
Yes.
But, yes.
And the box. Talk about the box.
So
I love this box.
Comes in a set of 3.
Yeah.
I've got the second or the middle one in my hands right now.
And I've got the large, and the third one is right over here.
Third one is over here.
So it's a set of nesting 3 boxes, and we've got them right now. And it's actually, if I turn it around, and talking about this with Sarah and Dan earlier, it's a peach color tone, but it's a little distressed. So Sarah called it, she termed it dusty peach. So it's kind of fun. And then it's got this nice silver gray imprinted galvanized on the front. So this set of boxes is really cool. And then look at it's even got a little handle on the side. So
they're adorable.
these boxes are beautiful. So you get 3 boxes nested together that you're going to do 3 different things for in your stores, and 3 different customers are going to walk out happy, or one customer's going to walk in and go, I want all 3 of those boxes. What you did with them, they're absolutely fabulous.
Well, and they're a gift afterwards too.
They are.
So many. I am like super into organizing right now.
Yeah.
I'm not going to even get involved in my home edit on Netflix. But anyway, boxes, containers, whatever to be used afterwards for organizing. Yeah, you know what to do.
Right.
So,
yeah, boxes are beautiful. And I was telling Kristin earlier that I watched this trend video recently, this webinar, and what's trending for 2021. Boxes of wood galvanized, still trending up. Yeah. It's not going anywhere, folks. It's still trending up.
It is.
Yeah.
So what did you do with this little guy?
Well, this guy, I kept with that nice white, clean theme. Pulled back our bell pods because we still just love them, those bleached bell pods. And again, just white, solid green, and I surrounded the whole thing with my beautiful favorite leaves. And then I just tucked in some pheasant feathers. So there you go. I mean, it's like you said, it's got a nod to fall, yet it's simple, it's earthy, it's clean, it's fun.
Yep.
I don't know. That's what I did.
And yes, everything is Len Busch grown.
Yeah, Len Busch grown. Today is about Len Busch homegrown products and what we've got happening right now. What's beautiful.
Yeah. Without spilling.
Oh gosh, absolutely. No, yep, you got it.
Okay.
Perfect.
So that's the purple kale, and then this is what we call our white kale.
Look at that, how
so
beautiful.
you can see the difference between the two. That's our white and our purple.
That's just a simply beautiful head of kale. I mean, seriously, I just want to grab a fork and dive in, but yet it's all decorative.
Yeah. I'll just look at it. I don't want to eat it. But the container that it's into, this little metal pot, kind of a, they call it a gentleman's plaid.
Yeah, it's called a gentleman's plaid, yes.
Yeah,
and it's actually really,
metal pot.
It fits I popped it out of the grow pot, and it fits perfect in this gentleman's plaid pot. And really pretty, actually.
I like him.
Just like that, yeah.
Okay.
And then I just want to, got to talk about, since we're talking homegrown, look at this coral beauty. Okay, coral was like the Pantone color of the year a couple years ago, but it has not stopped being a gorgeous, beautiful, trending color. It is still very hot, very big, beautiful to mix with all kinds of other colors. Lavenders, pinks mixed with this time of year, golds, rust, coppers, absolutely gorgeous. These are in right now. Get them into your cart. Call your salesperson. You want this coral beauty. Yeah, just beautiful, 6-inch.
Did you want to move to the others, or do you want me to mention?
Well, let's talk about that.
Did you say Neil?
Neil? Okay,
Hi,
Neil. This is your friend Neil, right?
Thank you.
Yes, isn't this your friend Neil?
Oh, do you have a friend Neil? Yes, I have a friend Neil. Now it's a friend Neil.
It's our friend
Neil. Sorry. Thanks, Neil. Hope that gave you a laugh. So this is our orange, what we call orange, our orange mum, homegrown mum.
Yes, and he's beautiful.
Kind of more of a...
Yeah. Look at again.
Rusty,
well, look how beautiful he coordinates with the coral. So look, if you really take a look, if you got a great color eye and you really look and see what you have inside of that leaf, you've got undertones of pinks, burgundies. You've got a little bit of lavender in there. That undertone color is absolutely gorgeous. There's reds in there. So you can take this and pair this with so many different things and really pull that together beautifly. This paired with, who's watching, Rob? Bradley. Hey, Bradley. He's our friend, too.
Yeah.
Bradley's our friend, too.
Of course he is.
We've got great friends.
I'm laughing, too. I'm like, you so badly wish you had a manicure before today, don't you?
Yeah, I do. I really do.
She's got florist hands.
Am I trying to? Yeah, I do. I have florist hands, and I haven't had a manicure, actually, since COVID started.
Yeah, me either.
So I'm just dying for a manicure.
Yeah.
Seriously.
I am with you 100%. We call this our novelty orange calancho, and you can see why we call it novelty. It is two-tone. Cutest thing ever.
It is.
One of my favorites. This will go great all the way through.
It does.
Into Thanksgiving.
Yeah,
for sure.
all of these colors are great, right up to Thanksgiving colors, and we're going to have these still. But right now we just got them in, so you want to get them, start pulling them in, and doing your fun things. And you know what? Another thing, Kristin, I wish that our Facebook watchers, when they start working with our fun product that we talked about, that they would send us pictures.
Oh, I totally agree.
I really want to start
seeing
us. Yes,
we hope to inspire you.
I want to see what you're doing with what we're doing, and if we inspire you in some way. The best compliment to us, or as a designer for me, is to know that I was able to inspire you. So please always share. Yes. We would love to see what you're doing out there too.
Absolutely. Not blooming, but Len Busch grown too. I am so sorry.
Fernwood Sansevieria.
I was going to say it's Fernwood.
Fernwood.
Okay, didn't hit. So yes, Fernwood Sansevieria, we do grow him. And then of course we all recognize the Echeveria that we have here too. Both super
absolutely sweet. Gorgeous. And in that third small little box, nesting box that we've been talking about during today's show, and it's just absolutely done and beautiful.
Yep, agreed.
Look at that. those are going to run out your door. They're actually going to grow legs and run out your door. So you really do need this set of boxes in your store.
Agreed.
You really do. Yeah.
Okay, just want to make sure that we're.
Did we talk about everything?
Anything.
Yeah, I think we did. Okay, but we are, so here we are. This is fall. And even though it is, 80 degrees today, and on the humid side.
We're very happy.
Yeah, we are. We're not complaining at all. But we are at that place. So we are already in mid-September, guys. And before we know it, the holidays will be upon us. And don't cuss me out for saying that, but it is true. And as florists and designers, we have to work ahead and think ahead. So, in this year, I think all of us are wondering, and I know I certainly am, but what are the holidays going to look like this year due to COVID, and what we're doing in the practices that we're supposed to be following and are trying to as respectful people and respectful families. I almost feel like, and I hope that I'm kind of right here, but I almost feel like we're going to see smaller family gatherings, and that it's going to help us return to a little bit of tradition. So here's a little term that we've kind of coined the last few weeks: embracing tradition. And this will not be the last time that you're going to hear us talk about it over the next probably month and a half. And one of the things that we would just want to tease you about is this little cornucopia that's going to be coming to you that will be available for you to buy. It is going to be part of our fall Thanksgiving lineup. And cornucopia is our what screams tradition with Thanksgiving is a cornucopia. Yes. Look how beautiful it is. We've got some bittersweet in here, just the right amount of purple, a lot of oranges, leaves, this fun little pumpkin. A simple design, but yet absolutely elegant and gorgeous. And these will be available in the Thanksgiving flyer that I believe has already gone out to you. Yes. You want to pre-book these. If you need one or two of these in your shop, on your tables, that you need to be able to have ready to go out the door for your customers, this is going to be a pre-made item for you, the Thanksgiving cornucopia. And I really believe that we're going to need to service our customers this year with those pre-made items ready to go for them to get onto their tables for smaller family gatherings this year. I just really think that that's going to flourish. And again, it's going to be about embracing tradition.
Well, and I think a suggestion to you, the shops that are watching, you can coin. We coined it. Use it. Embrace tradition.
Yes, embrace tradition.
Do a pre-book on your own. Put something on your social media. Use that term and have your customers give you the orders in advance, because then you'll give your orders to us in advance, and we're building them for you.
And
we're not just building a bunch just in case. We're building them for you.
Yes.
And so
this will be built just like this, popped in a box and sent out to you so you've got it. So like Kristin said, use the term that we put together, embrace tradition. And I love it. That is an endearing, beautiful term. I really do like it. And right now we're not allowed to embrace or hug. Yes. So let's do all the embracing that we can in whatever way that we can.
And virtually or whatever it means.
Wrap our arms right around the holidays this year and just enjoy every moment that we can.
Agreed.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for watching.
Yes,
thanks to those of you who took your little late lunch to hang out with us. And those of you who are watching later on, thank you for that too. And we'll stay in touch.
Yeah, absolutely. See you next week, guys.
Yes, and make sure you like and subscribe us. We always forget to say that.
Yes,
but
like
us, subscribe, share, all that good stuff.
Absolutely. Thanks.
Have a great week.
Bye,
Take
everybody.
Care.